Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, February 7th. I hope you guys are having a great week and looking forward to the weekend. Thank you so much to everybody who entered my 14,000 subscribers giveaway last week. I had lots of wonderful comments and I appreciate every single one of them. I'll show you my haul this week, which is small, but first I will get to the giveaway winner. I used a random comment picker. I had to use a different one than I usually use because that one was limited to 250 comments and I had more than that. So I found a new one and it selected a random winner. Of course, you had to mention 14K or 14,000 in your comment and be a subscriber to my channel. So the winner will receive that 12 by 12 pack of winter cardstock from Joann's, as well as the Valentine collection and my favorite tools and some handmade goodies. So without further ado, the winner is Crafty Accents, and this is her comment. Thank you so much for entering and congratulations on winning. Will you please email me at my email address, which is always listed in the description box, and send me your mailing information and I will get that package out to you right away. Again, thanks to everybody else who entered, and I will have more giveaways in the future, so please stay tuned for that. And yeah, so let's move on with the haul. Okay, so I don't have that much this week, and but I did get a few fun things. I got this wrapping paper from Homegoods. This is by My Mind's Eye. Love their paper products, and it was only $2.99 for this roll. 12 feet of designer paper, and it's really pretty pink paper with strawberries on it, little strawberry flowers as well. They had one that was a white background with a little bit different strawberry pattern, and I couldn't decide between them both. I probably should have gotten them both, but anyway, I just got this one and I love it, and I think it'll be really nice to wrap gifts. So got that. I wonder if I can make bows with it too. I don't like making bows with wrapping paper that have the grid on the background, so if it does, it's hard to tell. I don't see a grid on here. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyway, I did get it for wrapping paper. And I went to Hobby Lobby this week. They had St. Patrick's Day was on sale, but they were kind of like stocking that area, so I didn't get anything from there. And I don't decorate for St. Patrick's Day anyway, so I didn't get anything from there anyway. I did get this package of vinyl holders, and this was in the vinyl crafting section. It was $7.99. I don't know if these ever go on sale or not, but they weren't on sale this week. But it comes with 6 different holders for your vinyl. So I thought this would be nice to have. Let me get out my scissors, just to, you know, keep your rolls of vinyl from unraveling. And you guys know I'm a vinyl crafter now. And oh my gosh, I've been having so much fun with my machine. Thank you guys to the ones who watched that video and commented too. If you're interested in a nice, cost-effective vinyl cutting machine, go and watch that video. It's the Locklick iCraft. So let's see how this works. Okay, so they're just around a tube like this. And I've had things like this for gift wrap, and I'm sure you could use gift wrap rolls too, but okay, so this is one of the ones I got from Walmart. I think I had shown you guys the aqua one, but I did get the pink one too, which is light pink, and I've been having, you know, good luck with these. So, and that way you just have to hold it on like this, so you don't have to, you know, keep putting tape on these things, and you don't have to keep re-rolling your roll. This just expands to whatever size your roll is. And by the way, I also got a black one too. So I love the colors of these. I guess you could color coordinate with your vinyl, but you know, it's just nice to have the pastel variety. So I got that. And then let me just move that over. I did get a paper pad from Hobby Lobby. I haven't seen this before. Maybe you guys have. It's called Watercolor Ocean by the Paper Studio. Paper Studio is 40% off this week. It was $6.49 for the 6x6 paper pad. I would have loved a 12 by 12 in this, but they didn't have it. I saw that there was like a space under this in like the 12 by 12 section that was empty. It didn't have any like label on it on the shelf, so maybe this is going to come in a 12 by 12, but I did pick up the 6 by 6. It says it was from 2023, so I assume it's not new. I just don't remember seeing it before. But I'll do a flip through for you in case you are interested and you haven't seen it either. It's 60 sheets, 20 designs, 3 of each. And I like this because look how textured it is. It's got like, yeah, it's textured paper and it's got a soft white background, and these cute little whales and narwhals are adorable. And the colors are really pretty pastel, blue and green and yellow and pink, and their little expressions are so cute. So they're single-sided paper, nice heavyweight matte finish, which, you know, I love that the most. This color, or this page is, it's kind of like bubbles, I guess, with different patterns on it. And this is a pretty like pastel greenish blue color. And yeah, this texture is so nice. I don't know, I haven't looked really at Hobby Lobby papers lately, so I don't know, this has probably been there, but. And here's a nice plaid with all the colors, so pretty. And you know, summer crafting is right around the corner, so might as well get your supplies ready now. So that's why I'm thinking this will be so nice in a 12 by 12. If you've seen it in a 12 by 12, let me know, okay? And these octopuses, or octopi, I don't know the plural, but they are adorable. Look at those cute little faces. And there's seaweed, starfish, and little, I don't know, they look like tulips, but I guess they're little plants and bubbles. So 2 of those. And did I say 2 of those? 3 of those. Yeah, 3 of those. And then here's a yellow background with little shells on there. And it's very subtle prints, you know, just kind of subdued. And look at that with the ships. So pretty. And again, very subdued color palette, which is nice, I think. You know, a nice change from the really bright summer palettes. I think this is a pretty pastel one. So 3 of those. And then this pretty like peachy pink, or not diagonal, kind of like a chevron zigzag pattern. And then, oh, so cute. Look at the little seahorses and seaweed. So pretty. Oh, I can't wait for summer crafting. It has been so wintry here lately. Today it's icy and snowy and sleet. It's just horrible. Good day for crafting. Okay, so here's that pretty like ocean blue color again with like a wave pattern. I like this pad because it has a lot of like background papers and some pretty like focus prints. There's a stripe with this cute little like gray design, like square design there. It's just different. And then we have this yellow plaid, so pretty. I really like this yellow color, very soft. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time here. Okay, and then we have, okay, all the ocean friends together and some crabs and fish. Love it. And then we have this horizontal stripe with all the pretty colors. And all these pages are textured. If you could see that design there, yeah, you could see it there. And then here's that peachy color with starfish and seaweed. And then bubbles, I guess we'll call them, or just circles. So you could use these for more than just oceany, you know, what's it called again? Ocean, yeah, watercolor ocean projects. You could use it for anything really. It doesn't have to be bubbles. I think this would be a great like birthday collection. This is pretty, just kind of like, you know, not as dense, this pattern. Pretty. And then yellow with just kind of like little asymmetrical dots on there. With the texture, it looks really nice. And then all the little sailboats with the waves, and some of the waves are yellow. And then, oh, this is very subtle. It's got a very like mottled looking background with that greenish blue color. And then some seashells, some waves, some bubbles, very tiny print. So it'd be great for cards and tags. Mini albums, little embellishments. Oh, a whole page of seahorses. They're so cute. Aren't seahorses adorable? I just love them. Yeah, this is a great paper pad. And that's it. So yeah, $6.49, 40% off of that. I thought that was a great deal, and I will definitely be on the lookout for 12 by 12 of that. And then I just had an update for you. Remember I'd gotten these from Temu. These are those like bracelet helpers, the beadable ones. So I put one together that I wanted to show you. And I'll link them down below in case they're still available. It was $10.35. Oh, they were out of stock when I showed them. So maybe they're back in stock now. First it came with 5, and I started with the pink one, but that broke while I was working on it. So that's kind of a bummer. And this was just like a little dangle that I made to go on them. This was part of the pink one before I broke it. But let me show you one that I made. This is silver, and it comes with the alligator clip on the bottom, and then this whole beadable area, and then this little cap on the top. So I added some beads. These I had gotten from Temu, these white like sugary ones, and then I had these beads in my stash from I don't know where. And then these little sugary like spacer beads too. And they just fit perfectly on there. I wanted to add this little dangle or a charm on the top, but I just didn't have enough room. So that'll have to go onto a different one. But I figured I would just show you how it works. So if you have a bracelet that has a clasp that you want to, clasp on yourself and you're having a hard time, you could just use this alligator clip and just hold the end with it. Something like that. And then just hold it and then put it around your wrist. And that way, okay, now I won't be able to do this because my nails are too long, but you can open your little clasp and then just hook it on like that instead of, sometimes you go to put your bracelet on and you can't hold this part onto your wrist while you're trying to clasp it. So if you use this, you could just hold it with this and it'll keep it in position while you're trying to clasp it. So just wanted to show you how that worked. And again, I'll put these down below in case you're interested in them. It's just a fun gift, I think, for like any woman who likes to wear jewelry, and it makes life easier when you're trying to do your own jewelry in case you're having a hard time. So yeah, that was my little crafty update. Besides that, I'm going to have a sponsor review for, remember I did the acrylic markers for Ohuhu. They do alcohol markers as well. They asked if I would want to review their washable stamper markers. So I just got those in the mail. I'm going to test those out, and I'll be done probably next week with the review on them. They look really cute, and they come in a really pretty case too. So looking forward to sharing that with you. I have other product reviews coming up. And of course, my Scrap Diva Designs and KS Craft projects. I'm going to be working on a lot of those this weekend. So I'll be back with more videos for that soon. And yeah, so that is about it for this week. And congratulations again to Crafty Accents. Don't forget to email me at my email address in the description box within the next week, and I'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Everyone, I hope you have a great weekend, and let me know what you're up to. I'd love to hear and see how you're doing. I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.